Why am I cooking dirt? First of all, I want to point out fire safety. We had a lot of snow and rain, so the ground and the surrounding area is very muddy. Although I picked out this spot that's not muddy, I still hosed it down before I started, just to make sure there isn't anything combustible near this fire pit. Look real close, you can see the ground is wet underneath. Now for how and what I used. We have the dirt cooking in this Dutch oven that I picked up from the recycle center on top of the fire pit that I recycled from a wash machine, and the video for that is up above if you'd like to watch that. For fuel, I picked up sticks and twigs that were on the lawn, so I cleaned up the lawn, and with this fire pit they don't have to be completely dry. It's incredible how it burns in there. This wheelbarrow, I used this to move the dirt, and this wheelbarrow I repaired by using the parts from this discarded wheelbarrow. Again, the video for that is up above if you'd like to watch that. This metal, I'm not sure where I got this from or what it's from, but I'm using it as handles to pick up the hot pots, to move them around. And speaking of pots, I picked up these other pots, all stainless steel, from the recycle center. Well, after all, the theme of my channel is to reclaim, repair, reuse, and to recycle. Besides using what you already have, the other benefits this provides are killing weed seeds and pests. Plus, it gives plants a cleaner start. It also prevents disease spread and creates a controlled environment. The dirt should be heated or cooked to 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And that's it. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, it does help. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe, hit that Joe Z button. And not to miss my new videos as I upload them, be sure to ring that bell. And until next time, stay safe and enjoy your gardening.